Let us start the new course, shell scripting. So let's first know about the basics of shell scripting. So firstly, a shell is nothing but it will take the commands from the user and it will give those commands to the kernel for the execution. For the further execution, it will take the commands from the user and give those commands to the kernel for the execution. So the examples of shells would be sh, bash, like that. Bash is the most commonly used shell. Next, let us know about bash. So bash is most commonly used in almost all the Linux systems. Like it was a default shell, right? Its file extension is .sh. The full form of bash should be burn again shell. So burn spelling Bourne, burn again shell. It was a full form of bash, right? So first let us create the file in shell script. For that, nano space hello.sh. So here already I have gave hello world. So again you can give whatever you wanted to give. I'll give hello. So I'll give hey, something like this. So to save this file, you have to click Control O and enter. Click and first you have to click Control O and then again you have to click enter. To come out of this nano terminal, you have to click Control X. So you will come out of this nano terminal and be redirected into Ubuntu, right? So this is how you can create the file. So if you want, generally in Linux, if you want to view the content, you will use a cat command, right? Cat hello.sh. So here you got the content of I mean the content which we have wrote in nano terminal. But if you don't want this echo, I mean like this print statements, you just want, if you want just the content, then you have to run the command, right? To run the command, you have to use bash, what is the file name, hello.sh. So here you can see hello world, hey. So you got only the content, right? And then next, to write the script, you have to use one line. It was mandatory. So let us see. Again, let's go to the nano terminal. So we have been redirected into the nano terminal. So if you have to write one script, so this script will tell the system which shell to use. Like it must be used in the first line itself. If you don't use this, script may fail or it may use the wrong shell, right? So for that purpose, you have to use this. You have to use a script in the first line. So hash exclamation slash bin slash bash. So here this represents interpreter path, the path of the interpreter, and then this represents the bash shell. Okay, so this is all about the basics of shell scripting.